Hello student of class 11th. This is a question of a complex number. It is the competitive class of a complex number, and this is a question of a very important question of a complex number. It is occasionally asked in the competition of JEE Advanced. This one is -2 -1 upon 3i. -2 -1 upon 3i whole cube is equal to x plus ii upon 27. You know that I is equal to minus root 1. You know that where x and y are here, and you need to find out the value of y minus x. Y minus x. So firstly we need to find out the value of x and y for given relation. How can you find out the value of x and y? This is -2 -1 upon 3i to the power 3 is equal to x plus iy upon 27. You know that if you are taking minus common from the bracket, you will get this is -1 to the power 3, and the bracket became 2 plus 1 upon 3 or I upon 3 to the power 3 is equal to x upon 27 plus I y upon 27. Now -1 to the power 3 gives you -1. In the bracket it is in the form of a plus b whole cube, can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You know that this is the formula. Here a cube means 2 cube plus b cube means I upon 3 whole cube plus 3a square b. 3a square b means 2 square into b means I upon 3 plus 3ab square. 3 into 2 I upon 3 whole of square, and it is all equal to x upon 27 plus I y upon 27. From here you will get this is -1, 2 to the power 3 gives you 8, and it is I cube upon 3. I cube upon 3, and this 3 cancel out, and this is 2 to the 4 I. This 3, it is I square upon 9. 3 are cancelled here. This is plus 2 I square upon 3, because this I square upon 9, 3 cancel out. This is 2 I square upon 3 is here, and this one is equal to x upon 27 plus I y upon 27. Now this is equal to -8 plus, you know that the value of I cube is equal to I square into I. I square gives you -1, so it is minus I upon 3. This is minus I upon 3 plus 4I, and this is -2 upon 3. This is -2 upon 3 is equal to x upon 27 plus I y upon 27. Taking out real part with together and imaginary part together, you will get 8 minus 2 upon 3 plus 4 minus 1 upon 3 I is equal to x upon 27 plus I y upon 27. This is minus 24 minus 2. 24 minus 2 gives you 24 minus 2 gives you 22 upon 3. 22 upon 3 plus this gives you 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1 means this is 11 upon 3 I is equal to x upon 27 plus I y upon 27. Now equating the real and the imaginary part both sides. So equating real and imaginary part both sides. What you get? You will get minus 22 upon 3 is equal to x upon 27 imply and y upon 27 and y upon 27 is equal to minus 11 by 3. Here the value of x is equal to 27 into 3, 27 into 22 upon 3. This is minus, it is 9. This is x is equal to minus 198 and y is equal to minus 99. 27, 3, 9, 99. Now we need to find the value of y minus x. So the value of y minus x minus 99 minus plus 198. This is all equal to 99. So the value of y minus x is equal to 99. Thank you, student. Value of y minus x is equal to minus 99 plus 198 is equal to 99. Thank you.